boys and girls, for science today, we're in Earth and Space Science, and we're in week 2, and this one's about our planet Earth. So today what we're going to do for science is we're going to work on looking at all the material, and then tomorrow we'll work on our crossword puzzle. Remember with science, boys and girls, we can use our online. So if we go to our Studies Weekly page and we hit Science, your password and username should already be saved in there. And we're going to go to 3rd grade science because we are 3rd graders. And remember, these weeks repeat because we have different kinds of science. We're all the way down here on week 2 of Earth and Space Science. So make sure that we have that ready to go. Okay, and you will click on that. And then you will be able to hit play, read through. You can do your Explore More. Remember when we hit those, that's where we get our fun videos and things to watch. Also, remember you can be answering your questions down below and collecting some coins. Those are good review. You're going to work all the way through your articles, and then you will stop when it gets to the crossword puzzle. Make sure you're paying close attention and follow along as it is reading to you so that finding our answers tomorrow will be easy.